State Vice President juga sengsan pertai ke badan hak yang persyak Kol India Trinamool Congress ubah George Lyngdoh ulong batang ke Jingsngewlem kamla banlong ke daun pentiknai ke result jong election wala hak ju ke por ban Pynshong Nongrim ke election tah ke Jingsngewlem kalong ke Bakla. Ubah George le jubab halor ke Jingkeli la ke Jingsngewlem kandan hak yang juga seng United Democratic Party hak seputri ke jemang hak election ke banlong soyong.
Sympathy factor sometimes should not be the only factor for deciding any election. We have seen time and again. So therefore, basing an election outcome only in sympathy would not be correct. So because there will be a certain section of people who feel obliged and who would like to dedicate the election result to a former leader. But there's also a huge section of people may not be in consonance with that kind of a thought. So there are different mixed kind of feelings. So some may have the affinity towards the leader who was actually at that time. But then when it comes to a new election, new candidates, new kind of environment comes in, even though there will be a certain factor of sympathy.
Haba kalipat semang jeng bengkret jong kaseng hak election ke bansalong soyong Nongrim kaseng TMC ulong wajat ba kaseng kadang dei ke bathamai kadon kami kapor ban pinbiang soy la die wala kata ki phai shakmat ke jingkersan ju ki pajba soyong hak ni election ke banlong ke spotre ku jemang.
It is not easy to say that an election you will definitely lose or win, but then it's always a fight, and we wish the candidate the very best and also appeal to the people of Soyang to support our candidate and give us a chance to strengthen the party as well.